This is one of the best fried chicken I've ever eaten. I share delicious recipe every day and there are 1,000 of recipes in my channel. Follow my channel so you won't miss it. Marinate chicken overnight with seasoning powder. Take out next day and mix with cooking oil. Then air fryer per instruction. On egg chicken is cooked, just plate it and start to enjoy this delicious spices fried chicken. The chicken tastes with string spices aroma with mild sweetness. It's delicious. Hope you like this recipe. Give it a try. Ayam percik is a traditional Malay specialty that originated from the state of Kelantan. Percik literally translates as splash, but it also means splatter or baste. By most measures, air frying is healthier than frying in oil. It cuts calories by 70% to 80% and has a lot less fat. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.